Good day, everyone. Learn how to turn off passcode in iPhone. So, to turn off the passcode, we need to go to the settings and then scroll down and look for Face ID and Passcode. So, we will click on Face ID and Passcode and then enter the passcode which you have set. And now you can either, if you use a lot to unlock the iPhone, you can simply turn off like this because it is more convenient than resetting the passcode, because you need to reset the Face ID and then you can turn off the passcode. You also need to turn off this device protection, and then you will be able to. So it is up to you whether you want to turn off. So my recommendation would be, just let it the passcode turn on, and whatever the Face ID or passcode you use for frequently, you can unlock it. So as far as the unlock is concerned, uh, we can do like this. All right, so this is how you can remove, or at least check for which all things we need the passcode. Please subscribe for more tutorials like this. Have a wonderful day.